This is electrical machinery from Zhangjiagang City. Here I would like to introduce our factory, many business in beer, filling, and packing machinery. We special professional in special order different kind of can, aluminum can, tin can, and also glass bottle and PET bottle filling. Mainly for the original craft beer, like this is for 2 liters beer. This is 2 Shandong. Here also is mainly for in China. Now is in China market is very popular. This for the 1 liter fresh beer. Like you can see, there is different brand in the market. Rich beer and the famous snow beer in China. This is Delongbao. Now in these 2 years, China, this Delongbao is very popular in the market. We have supplied more than 10 filling lines for the Delongbao filling lines. Brewing with imported raw material. It is also for fresh beer. The malt is 11.3p. This is also to Delongbao. This is Panda beer. It's very tasty and fresh beer. Okay, this is aluminum can beer. Okay.
先介绍灌装口，灌装口应该准备，没多就开掉了。
Here we can have the different kind of filling walls, filling parts for different kind of can, different kind of bottle. Piston. Yeah, all is the spare parts.
这就是易拉罐的。
This is for can. Here is all the spare parts for service after sale. Here we are on. Here is a special order for the glass bottle and the tin can filling. Here delivery is a special order the filling machine. This is for glass bottle and the tin can filling for beer. This is for water racing time. Here is separated away and we will do package for delivery.
不同的平行。
Yeah. Fencing. Here is for the filling parts. We use the cylinder to control the filling walls. And also by cylinder to lift the bottle. This is for glass bottle this is for glass bottle with crown cap capping. And this is for aluminum cap. Like this is for aluminum capping with tin can.
Okay.
This is our filling machine for water. This is the water filling machine. This is with 16 filling nozzles. The capacity up to 36,000 bottles per hour, based on 500 milliliter PET bottle. This filling.
이게 조금
Yep. You can see this is our electrical control box. All the transducer will use Danfoss. Electrical parts will use Siemens and Snake. That is for capping parts. This frame we will use the stainless steel. With the up down the table it is for iron with plenty. It's very heavy and stable. This is machine is with two kind of cap. Round cap and another is for aluminum cap.
拿给他看看啥意思？
在哪里拿？看到了，你看得到吗？有一只。有的时候你要看我，你可以看细节，不要看我。
没拍你，没对上了你。
All package is ready for delivery. Yeah, this is the PET bottle. That is for PET bottle. Rinsing, bottle washing. That is for CO2 filling. This is the beer filling part. This is for PET bottle capping part with washing, filling, capping. 5-in-1 monoblock.
Next day important.
One is for aluminum can filling. It's for craft beer
Okay.
with 1,500 bottle cans 1 hour. Yeah, this is the filling part. Or is the
For sealing. Hand sealing.
for the beer feeding unit. We all use the sanitary for food. All the liquid part is mineral polish. Yeah. It's the beer feeding bowl. We use the Samsung control system.
而且它高速的公馆呢，就是产多少产能？说过了吗？
Here, this is also for the 9 filling nozzles with 1 capping for aluminum can beer filling. The capacity is also 1,500 hours. Here is the electrical control box. Always use the dampers as the transducer. Siemens electrical parts. Siemens. Snack. Or is for international blade.
它那个大的。
Here is also for 16 filling nozzles for water filling.
法来的呀，马币来打的，你看呀。喂，这是他俩讲过来。
它加到了视频，加到了视频。
在这视频。
慢。这个看不见，看那盖子。 介绍吗？ For blowing filling capping machine, 60. There is the screw capping part.
Here is we are the conveyor with the package. The belt conveyor. Belt conveyor ready to deliver. Here is the belt conveyor. aluminum can. Here filling unit, filling part. It's also ready for delivery. It's for 20 others. 20 filling others.
20 filling nozzles.
Yeah, 12,000 cans 1 hour.
Yes.
Yeah, this is for CIP filling units.
CIP.
Just the next one is for nozzles for brewing beer filling. Yeah, this is for selling for can selling.
Just cap in to there and then sealing. 됐어? I needed to deliver it. 好了。
开一个进去。
Package it.
Yeah, it's already packaged.
This for mixed.
It's for 602 carbonated.
Little mix.
Okay, yeah, that's all. Bye bye.